Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to follow stores on the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page and then select the product, tap on it, and after that you show tap on the name of the store next to the ratings in the middle of the screen. Then you will be directed to the store, and then all you have to do is clicking on the follow button at the top of the screen marked with a heart icon. As you can see now, you are following the store, so you will be able to see their items. Here you can see the items they sell. Then you can check out the categories and the reviews as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.